Demonstrators in Thailand use inflatable ducks as shields against water cannons. Police used tear gas and water cannons on Tuesday at a new demonstration by supporters of the democracy movement in Thailand. A police spokesman said attendees had been warned not to break the barricades. When they tried to do so anyway, water cannons were first used. But since the demonstrators did not back down, water was then mixed with tear gas. The demonstrators used, among other things, inflatable pool toys in the shape of ducks to protect themselves from the jets of water. Numerous activists had previously gathered in front of the parliament in Bangkok. Some tried to overcome barricades and barbed wire fences erected in front of the building, reported the Bangkok Post. Demonstrators also threw paint bags and smoke bombs in the direction of the emergency services. The second wave of protests started in October and continues to this day. People gather in the squares and demand the reform of the monarchy. On Wednesday, numerous demonstrators again gathered in central Bangkok to make their demands heard. For months, especially young demonstrators have been taking to the streets in the Southeast Asian country. They are asking that Prime Minister Prayut Chan-o-cha resign, while wanting a new election and comprehensive reforms. This has also brought into question the role of the monarchy for the first time. Bangkok's Iravan Medical Center said at least 55 people were injured. It said at least 32 were suffering from tear gas and 6 people had gunshot wounds. Thanks for watching. Subscribe not to miss new interesting videos. See you soon.